Located along the eastern coast of South America, Brazil is a year-round destination with temperatures rarely dipping below 68 degrees Fahrenheit. The climate varies from hot and dry in the arid interior to humid and sticky in the Amazon rainforest. With Brazil's rich and diverse culture and environment, how exactly is global warming affecting it? For starters, there has been a sighting of increased temperatures. 2015 was considered to be the warmest year in history because of global warming. In Rio de Janeiro, they had the highest temperature of 43 degrees Celsius since 1915. Since 2014, average drops of rainfall decreased, resulting in a reduction of water. Without this essential source of nutrient, native vegetation surrounding rivers and reservoirs would dwindle. This reduction contributes to climate change, as native vegetation play a fundamental role in regulating the microclimate, and when they are cleared, greenhouse gases are emitted. In addition, lack of water can create major consequences for nature. In late October, satellite data from NASA showed that the southeast of Brazil has lost 56 trillion liters of water, whereas the northeast lost 49 trillion liters, inducing these to be the worst drought in decades within those regions. The lack of water in the soil creates a process called desertification, in which the environment is modified to turn into a barren landscape or a proper desert. With these changes, Brazil's biodiversity suffers increasingly. According to a study published in Science, 1 in 6 species could become extinct because of climate change. So what exactly has Brazilian officials done? On December 29, 2009, Brazil adopted Law 12.187. It essentially established the national policy of climate change, which seeks to pursue voluntary actions for the mitigation of greenhouse gas emissions. For instance, reducing deforestation. Between 2005 and 2012, Brazil ran a successful campaign to reduce deforestation by about 80%. Detailed analysis of publicly available satellite photos show that Brazil has reduced deforestation in the Amazon enough over the past 5 years to lower heat-trapping emissions more than any other country on Earth. This success demonstrates the enormous potential of reducing emissions from deforestation and forest degradation, as well as conserving and regrowing tropical forests.